Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions integrated campus. I'm Dr. Imesh Babu, Department of Civil Engineering, Estimation, Quantity Surveying and Valuation. Rate analysis. In this video, I'm going to explain brick masonry in cement mortar, how to calculate. Generally, the size of cement bricks consider here 19 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. The volume of mortar is required 0.32 meter cube. See, brick masonry cost of 1 cubic meter is considered. Number of bricks per 1 cubic meter is required 500. Here you have to we have to take that cement mortar in between. So if you calculate for 1 cubic meter divided by 0.19 and 0.09, you will get, see, approximately 48 or 49 are equal to, you have to take 500 bricks. Here for 1 cubic meter, you note down, this is an important point. See here, for 1 cubic meter, how many bricks? This is an important question for all competitive interviews and all things. Number of bricks required is 500 for 1 cubic meter brick wall. See, 500 bricks are required. See, mortar with proportion 1:6, then quantity of cement, how to calculate? So this is 0.32, what we considered volume of mortar divided by 7. That is 1 by 1 plus 6. Here you will get 7. So 0.32 by 7 into 1 is, that is cement. Cement is required, that is approximately 1440 kgs per cubic meter, that is divided by 50. 1.32 bags required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry. So approximately 1.32 bags of cement required. How to calculate? We have calculated this volume of mortar is considered as per the NAM's experience of this scientific method, 0.32 meter cube. 0.32 by into 1 by 7, you will get cement quantity, and if you multiply by 14, nearly actually 1500 kgs per 1 cubic meter. Here taken 1440 kgs and divided by 50, you will get cement bags. So you have to take consideration for this 1 cubic meter brick wall to construct how many cement bags required. See, 1.32 bags required. So number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter, so 500. So in this way you have to consider. What is the quantity of sand? Here we have taken 0.32 by 1 by 7 for cement. Now if you take for sand 1:6 sand, as it is a 1:, ratio is 1:6. Here ratio is 1:6. Here you have to take by 7. Yeah, by 7. So you will get sand quantity, that is sand required for 1 cubic meter of brick wall is 0.274 cubic meter. Say, number of cost per thousand of number of bricks in the market as per SSR. This is maybe old SSR. Say nearly for 1 brick 4.6 rupees. Nowadays in market 6 rupees, 7 rupees, 8 rupees. Quality bricks even 10 rupees now. Generally 5 rupees available. But in the SSR they have given 4.6 rupees, and in 2000 4,068 rupees per 1,000 bricks. This is given by SSR, or you can calculate local rates. So the concept is important. If you write here from local rates, this is, you can write 5,000 rupees. Sir, or you can write for 1 brick cost is 8 rupees, so 1,000 brick cost is 8,000 rupees. And there are loading, unloading charges will be there. Whenever loading, unloading charges also we have to include in the brick. The cost of the brick only, the number only you have cost of brick, but there will be transportation, loading and loading charges we have to add in the rate analysis. What are the convention rates here? Here approximately for this bricks and convenience charges, what is your take? 297 for 15 kilometers has taken. Total cost of bricks, actually that is 4687, and transportation charges will be 37 rupees. This is loading, unloading, and 297 here for kilometer. Here they have taken charges 118.6 plus 17.8 into 10. That is 297 rupees taken for 15 kilometers transportation charges. So total cost around 5,021 rupees. What I said, that is 5 rupees approximately per brick, including loading and loading, unloading, transportation. So this way you have to calculate the brick, masonry, that is cement and sand and bricks. Okay. Now this is how we have to write. Say for 1 cubic meter, your table is particular quantity, rate, amount. Say for here for 1 cubic meter 500, for 10 cubic meter 5,000 rupees. So here 5 rupees rate is equal to in previous this is 5021.3 per cubic meter. So here that is numbers, 1000 numbers. So for 500 numbers, half of that 2,510 rupees. So like that you have to calculate for cement. How to calculate for cement? You require 1.32 bags. As here mentioned 1.32 bags. Here for 1.32 bags, what is rate? 255 rupees per bag. Now present rate is 300 or 320 rupees. You can note down here 320 rupees also you can calculate. The concept is important per bag. So how many bags required cement? 1.32 bags required. So 1.32 into multiplied by 255. See here, if you take, I will show for one example. Here 1.32 multiplied by, this is 255. You will get how much? Here 336.6 rupees. Similarly, sand. See, if you take sand here in previous slide, how much required sand? Here required is sand requirement is here in this is 0.274 as calculated before, and sand is for 1 cubic meter in the market or SSR you can take 490 rupees per cubic meter. So 0.274 multiplied by 490, that is 134.3 rupees. So material cost is total cost here. You can see here, see how much? 2981.58. This is if you add total, that is bricks rate 2,510 rupees and cement rate 336.6 rupees, sand 134.36 rupees, and total material cost will be 2,981.55 rupees. In this way you have to calculate it. Now what is the next? For brickwork, labor. How much labor required for 1 cubic meter of brick wall? That 0.05. And for the cost, labor cost is 350 rupees. As I explained, you can take your rate 1,000 rupees also. This will vary. Here procedure important. So 0.05 masonry, and this is 0.75. Okay, and mason at masonry is 1. So rupees 315. So here, if you see here, if you come from year to year, the value decreases, right? See here, if you see from year to year, if you see values of labor decreases as the labor to unskilled to ordinary labor mazdoor, the value will be reduced. This is the you have to note. Suppose if you write here 1,000 rupees, you should not write for mason 200 rupees or 1,400 rupees, for labor 2,000 rupees. This way is not correct. In local market rate also, this is now a present local, this is 1,000 rupees for administrative, but SSR they have given 550 rupees and next 500 rupees and next 450 rupees. So, but this you can take any values as per local and our SSR. In the examination, they won't mention anything, but you mention as per local rate, this is the 1000 rupees and this is 800. According to that, you have to calculate. How to calculate? Say 0.05 into 350, you will get how much? 17.5 rupees. And 1 man into 315, that is you will get 3 rupees 315. And 0.7 numbers 250 rupees 175 rupees. Similarly, women Manzoor get rupees 250 rupees. Similarly, waterman 0.2 into 250 50 rupees. Like that, you have to calculate for labor also. You have to remember these values. See here, this is very important. The numbering is important. For 1 cubic meter, head masonry required 0.05, mason required 1, Mazdoor 0.7, women Mazdoor 1, and waterman 0.2, like that. So these are very important things you have to remember. Then you have to take rates, market rates, and calculate. You will get total rates. Okay. Now we calculated material rates and labor rate. Next one is important is how to calculate total. We got if added material rate and labor rate for 1 cubic meter of brick wall, you got rupees 807.5, and add that is 20%. Additionally, that is miscellaneous and labor. Total cost is 161.5. That is total is 969. So material and labor total cost from the beginning, if you add labor cost, material cost, and this 20%, will get 3,950 rupees 0.55. So this is the, in this way you have to calculate brick masonry value quantity for 1 cubic meter, how to calculate. So this is a very important, this way you have to calculate. Thank you. I will end this session. I completed this unit. Thank you.